Study your graph a moment. We want to decide whether this is the graph of a one-to-one function. Let's begin with whether this is a function, and it is a function if it passes the vertical line test. So think of every single vertical line you could possibly draw on your graph. Would it cut your graph at most once? If the answer is yes, it is the graph of a function. If the answer is no, it is not the graph of a function. If you look at the vertical line somewhere around x is equal to 1 and check out that vertical line, you'll notice it will cut your graph more than once, so you do not have the graph of a function. Now, because of that, we can already say we don't have the graph of a one-to-one function, but let's go ahead and talk about one-to-one anyway. Remember, one-to-one has to do with the horizontal line test. Think of horizontal lines. If every single horizontal line you could draw cut your graph at most once, then you have the graph of a one-to-one function if it was a function in the first place, but this is not. If you look at these horizontal lines, look somewhere around y is equal to, say, 2. That will cut your graph more than one time, so it's not one-to-one. It wasn't a function in the first place, so this is not a one-to-one function.